On today's episode of ShyGotEm on Cam, a routine traffic stop in a high crime area quickly escalated into an unexpected pursuit.
Bravo Mike, red shirt, black bike, red wheels, heading west on Columbia. Coming up to Bruton. He's going behind Popeyes now. Heading towards Henton. I lost him. Bravo Mike, red shirt, black joggers. He's got a hat on, black and red bike. The rims have red tint on them.
Breaking a fence, line 1033 and working eastbound.
I'm at St. Thomas and Ola.
Alright, hold there, and then someone start getting a little bit closer to the backyard of 1023. Walk down Ola and Thomas, and Ola and Lennox.
Hey, right here. Hey, stop! Hey, coming around!
I don't got nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't got nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't got nothing. Secure in one.
Do it up! Get him.
I don't got it.
Cuffs.
Of course, Chase using cuffs. You can stand right.
Resist for me. You get... No.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Thanks, Larry.
Keep resisting for me. I'm gonna put hard on.
One of the houses go to Ola. One of the first three houses go behind it.
Get the up.
Hold on. Get up. Hold on.
Get up now.
Bro. I'm not. Hold on, bro.
Hey, we're coming out one.
Yeah, you're right, right?
Yeah, the wrong guy.
10-4, he's secured.
Yeah, the wrong guy. Well, you're going to jail for resisting that too. You're on the right front way.
This is my car right here.
Okay, let's go. I got a bump in there. A bite, that's it.
54, I don't think he had a bag.
I'm my left pocket, bro. Left pocket.
Let's pocket what?
Now I got a bump in there. Why on your base? I don't know what I am doing. Dale, papi, I'm not resisting. I
don't think he had a bag. Oh, bike, I don't know.
Hold on, papi.
Go back on Henton.
For that bike, you can drop anything.
I got the bike.
Don't worry, guys.
I'll retrace from where they caught him to you.
You switch out, you good?
Yeah, if you don't mind, maybe they get one to like 1039.
Hold on.
And you can go to the yard.
Oh my God! Yeah, what a bad fuck.
What is it?
Bad luck.
I'm sorry, can I?
Dale. There's no reason to take me anyways.
You on with the suspect or is it still?
I don't got shit,
Keep
bro.
searching. Oh my God.
I don't shit, bro.
Yeah, we're out with him. We got it.
I saw my kids, I don't got shit, bro.
Yeah, it's him.
You heard?
Yeah, pause.
You heard? Who's the sergeant? Bro, I'm trying to talk, bro. Hold on. Can I get straight, bro? I'm not gonna, bro. I'm just throwing everything on.
Stop moving, bro.
I'm not trying to do nothing to you. Check me, bro. Check me all you want.
Oh, we're gonna. Don't worry.
I know. Check me all you want. Check me everywhere you want. I know I don't got nothing. I'm sure.
So
I just because I got a case. Y'all know what the f*** gonna do to me. Y'all making me stop like I did something. I just got up. I really don't got nothing. I swear to God. I should have just stopped like a dummy.
Should have stopped.
Oh, bro. I just was.
Charlie 420, 212.
Oh my God, yo. Mama's gonna be pissed. Damn. Anyway, I ain't even do shit anyway.
Thanks. I appreciate you guys. I just gotta check that side. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah,
I never do that shit.
You got anything else on you?
No,
that
I'll
ain't to
be in
know
my
about?
pocket. No, just the pipe in that pocket. That's it.
The what?
The pipe of.
I hear you, bro.
Oh, I don't got it on me. That's all I had on me. Pipe. You see, pipe. That's it.
Headquarters, you can cancel Kent High School.
Gio, did he have a bag or backpack or anything like that?
54, I don't think he had a bag. Try to retrace his steps because he probably threw something.
I'm gonna go back and try to look for that bike and see if he dropped anything.
Yeah, I got the bike.
Sucks when I'm 2 fences away watching them from the back. I was like, damn.
This might sound silly, but
I don't think he even.
Oh my God.
He booked it from.
oh, it smells so bad. I shouldn't have opened that. Oh, oh, it was all seafood. So they lost him behind here?
Yeah, he lost it right behind Popeye's going for it.
They're doing all this for nothing. The right guy you don't go for. I know what I do.
Where's your car, Jim?
What is it? Right here? Oh, yeah.
Dude.
Hey, back him up just a little bit so I can check. Got anything else?
No, but on everything I love, bro.
So if they find anything else in the
No,
jail,
I
it's an
don't
extra
got.
charge.
Yo, shoot, look at my ass anymore. I know I don't got nothing. I don't know why I ran. I just don't got nothing. I'm still gonna run.
All right.
You're going to jail.
All right.
For what?
All right, you good?
Resisting.
Yeah. Put him on the other side. Can you put him on the other side?
Other side.
Oh, sorry?
Yeah, you can put him on the other side.
You don't have to carry me like that, bro. I'm not sure you're not going. I'm really. I'm. Why am I gonna go so much?
Oh, you're definitely not going anywhere now.
Obviously, I know that.
Sit in the car.
Well, I am gonna
Sit
sit.
down.
Oh, whatever you say, sir. You're my boss.
Get in the car.
You're my boss.
They running him? You got him running? Huh? Yeah, they're running. Okay, cool. Investigation. That's cool. Yeah.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.